Hello, today we will guide you through how to make scripts for faceless YouTube videos using Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm in your browser. This is the workspace where you'll bring in your source material and use it to generate helpful content for your faceless YouTube workflow. Once the site loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so the next actions feel more intuitive. Next, copy the sample writing script link from your resources. This link will serve as the source material for your project inside Notebooklm. Make sure you copy the full link correctly before moving on, since the tool will use that source to generate suggestions and content based on it. After that, look to the top right area of the screen for the Create New option. This is where you start a fresh notebook for your new project. When you see it, click Create New to open a new workspace. This step sets up a clean environment so you can organize your script generation process more effectively. Once the new notebook opens, paste the link you copied into the source field. This tells Notebooklm what material to analyze. After pasting the link, click the arrow forward button to continue. At this point, the platform will begin processing the source you added. If it takes a few seconds, that's normal, so just give it a moment to load fully. After the link has been entered, you'll see suggestions appear. Click on the suggestion that seems best for your creation. These suggestions can help guide the structure, tone, or direction of the content you want to build, so choosing the most relevant one can save time and improve the final result. It's a simple step, but it can make the rest of the workflow smoother. If you want to work with audio-related output, go to the top right section and click Audio Overview. This is useful when you want content arranged in a way that supports narration or voice-based production. Since faceless YouTube videos often rely heavily on voiceover, this can be especially helpful. From there, click on Slide Deck. This view can help organize the information into a more visual, presentation-style format, which is useful if you're planning scenes, supporting visuals, or a more structured content flow for your video. Finally, click on Video Overview. This gives you a broader video-focused summary of the material and can help you shape everything into a usable script or production outline for your faceless YouTube content. That's the full process for using Notebooklm to help make scripts for faceless YouTube videos. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have a more organized and efficient starting point for creating your content.